Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tiffany Benson, one part of Team Benson, and today's a big day because we hit 2,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for helping us get there. And today I'm going to talk about what you guys can do to enter the giveaway and also what I'm going to be planting in my 3-tier trays for the spring-summer season. So let me grab all the seeds so I can let you guys know what seeds are going to be given away for the 2K giveaway. Alright guys, so first up, how to enter the giveaway. So one of the things I did last year when I talked about my giveaway, which was 250 subscribers, which I can't believe we've grown to 2,000 subscribers in a little less than a year. That's pretty exciting. But I talked about what I was planting in my 3-tier trays from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree had them again this year, so I'm going to be doing the same thing where I'm talking about what I'm planting. And I want you guys to comment what you're planting that you can plant in a small pot. It doesn't have to be the 3-tier one, it could be a smaller one, but I want to help give people ideas of different types of plants that they can plant in small spaces, because my garden is all about planting in small spaces and having a small space garden and fitting as much into it as you possibly can. And I want everybody to realize that there's a lot of varieties out there that you can plant. So I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit later after I tell you what seeds I'm going to be giving away, and then tell you what I'm putting in mine, and then I want you guys to leave a note in the comment of just one plant that you can plant in a container. And yeah, that'll enter you to win the giveaway. You guys can see I'm totally tongue-tied today because I'm so excited. So in the giveaway, it's going to be our Cool Seeds giveaway. If you guys know anything about me, every single season I plant at least one thing that I have no clue what it is, what it tastes like, or anything like that. I'll show you my cool plant that I have going in my garden right now. But I do have Malabar spinach, which was my fall one. I have a winter one now, but I'll be giving away Malabar spinach, scarlet red runner beans. This was one of mine a couple of years ago. Dragon tail radishes. This one is going to be the one that I'm growing for winter. And I have some sesame seeds, which I thought was really cool. My absolute favorite cucumber ever in the world, Armenian cucumbers. I have also some Jericho lettuce, which is a very cool lettuce that we can grow here in the desert for a little bit warmer temperatures. I have my favorite melon in the entire world, a midget cantaloupe melon. And then I have some Jamaican sorrel, which will be my summer, my summer cool seed. So it's spring summer, because I'm going to plant it in the spring, but it's going to hopefully last all summer. And then my Jersey cabbage, which is an early Jersey cabbage, which is a cone-shaped cabbage. It's pretty cool. So those are going to be the seeds that are given in the giveaway. I'm going to pick 2 people, and I'm going to pick them from the comments at random. So make sure you comment something that you can grow in a pot, and let's kind of get everybody with pots in their gardens and growing extra things and creating more space for their gardens. So I'm going to be putting beans in my 3-tier trays. Now, a lot of people think when you're thinking beans, you think this huge, massive bean plant, which is going to be on that arch and the one in the far corner. I am going to have massive bean plants, and if you've watched some of my other videos, you'll see my Kentucky Wonders, which are usually a staple in my garden, are massive. But I also grow bush beans, which is something that can grow in a small space. So if you want to grow green beans and you don't have 20 feet for those vines to run, you can grow bush beans. And there's several different types of bush beans that I have here that I'm going to be growing. I have the dragon tongue bush bean, which is one of my favorites. I get it from Baker Creek. If you guys haven't eaten that one, it has an amazing bean flavor, and it's purple. It's purple and cream colored. It's kind of like speckled. Looks just like that. So it's very, very delicious. I also have my tried and true, which I just got from a box store. This one is the Blue Lakes bush bean. If you can't grow any bean ever in your garden, grow a Blue Lake bush bean. It'll grow easy for you, it will work, and life will just be a lot easier. And then also in here, let me take this out. I have from Burpee a big Kahuna bean. Now I just found out about these beans not too long ago, I'm going to say in the fall, and the couple of green beans that I did get in the fall were big Kahuna beans. Now this plant produces a lot of green beans, so this is going to be a heavy producer for green beans for you. So if you're looking for something and you only have a small space, like maybe like a little bit of space on your patio, put a 3-tier tray, put some big Kahuna beans in there, and you'll produce a lot of green beans. And the last one I have is a Royal Burgundy bean. Now this one's so beautiful because it is purple and it adds a lot of color to my garden. I love to make dinner with different color things in it and for people to go, what is that? And then I sit there and I go, oh, it's a green bean, no biggie. Like they're normally that color. So I think it's really cool, and it's a really cool way of opening up and talking to people about gardening and about how they could be more self-sufficient. So that's what I plan on putting in my tier trays, which I'm going to put them in every last one of them because I have the goal of being able to can my own green beans. And to do that, gonna have to produce a lot of green beans because we also eat a lot of fresh green beans. So I'm gonna do it in all the tier trays. I'm gonna show you guys what I have currently in the trays just in case you want to get some more ideas for them. And then I'm also gonna have green beans on my arches. So hopefully there's gonna be enough green beans to where I have green beans forever. And that's gonna be the goal. So if you guys need some ideas for other things that you can put in your tier trays, herbs go really well. As you can see, I have a couple parsley plants planted up here in the top, and then also spinach grows pretty nicely in here too as well. I have spinach all in this one at the bottom, and then over here I have lettuce. You know, even when you think lettuce is going to head up and be super, super big, you can grow it a lot smaller and it still produce a decent amount of leaves. It may not get as tall as, I'll show you guys in here, which is the same red romaine lettuce that is right here, but it still will produce a lot of leaves for you that you can make a decent salad, have Taco Tuesday or anything like that. So in this one, I have a ton of lettuce, I have different types, and then I also have some garlic chives. Now we're going to walk and talk and do this really vlog style because I'm holding the camera without a selfie stick. And I'm going to show you guys just one of the cool seeds that I'm growing this year. It is the dragon tail radish, which is absolutely super cool. So one, if you guys were thinking, what could you use those little tomato cages at Dollar Tree for? This is a great way to use them because they hold up the dragon tail radishes really nicely. And look at these pods, guys. So this is grown for the pods, not the root. And I'm going to come through and harvest some of these a little bit later on and add them to my stir fry when I get all the bok choy and maybe one or two of the broccoli heads. So don't forget to enter the seed giveaway. All you have to do is comment just one small space, vegetable or fruit or whatever that you can grow in a container so that we can help everybody continue to grow out their small space gardens and add more variety to their diets from their own personal gardens. So I hope this video was helpful for everybody, and thank you once again for helping me reach our 2,000 subscriber mark. That means so much to me, and I'm just really excited to be sharing all of these moments with you guys. So until next time, grow yourselves a garden because even a small space can provide you with tons of food. Bye guys.